Hello and welcome to Security. It's just going to be a short video today. We're going to be dealing with this CVE that comes up when you install VMware EXSi 6.7. So the first thing you do is log on to your EXSi server. Then you go to Manage under your host and Advanced Settings. And then we're going to be searching for this setting, the vmkernel.boot.hyperthreading mitigation. So I just type it in, press enter, and scroll through to look for it. You can type in the whole thing in the search box and get it I want as well. So I'm just going to locate it. And once I locate it, I click on it and click on edit option and set it from false to true. And save. And once you do that, you go to your host, go back to your host and reboot. And it should be all good once you're back on. So now my host is rebooted and you can see the notification is gone. In the next video, we're going to see how to apply license, to get to the license and apply it in order to take out this second notification, which is talking about the license expiring in 60 days. So thanks for watching. As usual, if you're enjoying the videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.